Absolutely. Here's a fully rephrased, polished version of your script, expanded to over 200 words and suitable for a 1-minute or longer delivery. The Ferrari Vision Gran Turismo made an unforgettable debut in Monaco on November 27, 2022, during the Gran Turismo World Series 2022 Nations Cup Grand Final. This remarkable vehicle represents Ferrari's first-ever single-seater concept designed exclusively for the virtual racing world. With its striking futuristic design, the Vision Gran Turismo not only showcases Ferrari's iconic racing heritage, but also pushes the boundaries of innovation and imagination in motorsport. Every detail of this car reflects a careful blend of historical inspiration and modern performance. Its design draws from the legendary sports prototypes of the 1960s and 70s, including the Ferrari 330 P3 and 512S. Beneath its hyper-modern bodywork and dramatic proportions lies the DNA of Ferrari masterpieces, honoring the past while offering a bold glimpse into the future of endurance racing. The Vision Gran Turismo combines speed, elegance, and technology in a way that feels both timeless and revolutionary, making it a true symbol of Ferrari's relentless pursuit of excellence. In a parallel leap forward, the MH2 Matador from Slovakia is redefining sustainable automotive design. Inspired by the human athlete's body, the MH2 focuses muscle and mass precisely where performance demands it, resulting in a lean and elegant silhouette. Powered by hydrogen fuel cells, it incorporates an innovative hydrogen storage system developed by the Technical University of Košice, allowing higher storage capacity at lower pressure for enhanced safety and longer range. With zero CO2 and NOx emissions, the MH2 points toward a cleaner, greener future in mobility. Together, these vehicles illustrate a thrilling convergence of heritage, innovation, and sustainability in both real and virtual racing. If you want, I can also make an even more cinematic, high-energy version that feels like it's meant for a dramatic voiceover video, which would naturally stretch past 1 minute in spoken form. Do you want me to do that next? GAC has officially introduced 3 forward-thinking concept cars at Milan Design Week 2024, offering a clear glimpse into how future cities may move, work, and connect. Presented under the Car Culture Series 3.0, these concept vehicles are specifically imagined for modern metropolitan environments such as Milan and Guangzhou, where design, efficiency, and innovation must coexist. Each of the 3 cars is developed with a distinct purpose in mind. One is tailored for everyday urban driving, focusing on compact size and smooth maneuverability. Another is purpose-built for delivery services, addressing the growing demand for efficient last-mile logistics. The third concept is designed for high-speed travel, capable of handling both highways and city streets with confidence and stability. Despite their different roles, all 3 vehicles share a striking visual identity, defined by a glass shell body that gives them a futuristic, almost transparent appearance. This design is not only aesthetic, but also functional, enhancing visibility and creating a strong connection between the vehicle, the city, and its surroundings. An adaptive trunk system intelligently adjusts storage space based on usage needs, making the cars highly flexible for both personal and commercial applications. Inside the cabin, traditional dashboards are replaced by transparent displays that project essential information in a clean, intuitive way, reducing distraction and improving the driving experience. At the core of these concepts is a modular electric powertrain. Batteries and driving components are combined into a single interchangeable unit, allowing quick replacements and significantly reducing maintenance time and downtime. This innovative approach supports sustainability, long-term usability, and future upgrades. With these 3 concept cars, GAC demonstrates a bold vision of intelligent, adaptable, and design-driven urban mobility for the cities of tomorrow. The GMO Zona Boiler is an advanced solution for heating water in an environmentally friendly and efficient way. Its cutting-edge vacuum tube technology is designed to capture sunlight and convert it into thermal energy, which is then transferred to a central heat pipe. Inside the heat pipe, a small amount of purified water vaporizes as it is heated, rising naturally to the condenser, where it transfers its energy to the water stored in the main tank. This process ensures a steady and reliable supply of hot water without requiring complicated pumps or external energy sources. One of the most impressive features of this system is its durability and adaptability. Even if one of the vacuum tubes becomes damaged, the system continues to operate effectively, ensuring uninterrupted performance. Additionally, its anti-freezing design makes it suitable for use in extremely cold climates, offering versatility for households and businesses in diverse regions. The Zona boiler can be directly connected to city water systems without the need for a circulation pump, simplifying installation and reducing maintenance requirements. The system is designed to operate at a working pressure of 0.6 megapascal and is available in both high-pressure and low-pressure options, with tank capacities of 200 to 300 liters. This makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, from residential homes to larger commercial setups. By harnessing the natural power of the sun, the GMO Zona boiler provides a sustainable, cost-effective, and reliable method of heating water, reducing energy consumption and minimizing environmental impact while delivering consistent performance year-round. If you want, I can also polish it further to make it even more engaging for spoken delivery, so it naturally flows for a video or presentation longer than 1 minute. Do you want me to do that? Absolutely. Here's a fully rephrased version of your script, expanded to over 200 words and structured for more than 1 minute of narration. The HoloSwim 2 is the ultimate innovation in swimming technology, designed to transform the way you train and help you achieve your goals more efficiently than ever before. These advanced smart swim goggles bring augmented reality directly into your field of vision, allowing you to monitor critical performance metrics like swim time, distance, pace, and lap counts in real time without ever interrupting your stroke. This means you can stay completely focused on your technique while having all the information you need to optimize every session right in front of your eyes. Comfort and fit have been meticulously engineered, with multiple nose bridge sizes and a flexible silicone seal that conforms to virtually every face shape, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit during long workouts. The lenses are treated with anti-fog and anti-scratch coatings, providing clear vision even during intense training or extended swimming sessions. Whether you are practicing in a pool or venturing into open water, the HoloSwim 2 keeps you fully engaged in your performance, helping you track progress and push your limits with confidence. By combining smart technology, comfort, and durability, these goggles serve as an essential tool for swimmers who want to elevate their skills. Paired with the Dive Drive underwater scooter, your aquatic training experience becomes even more dynamic, offering unmatched versatility and enhancing your overall performance in every swim. If you want, I can also make an even more dramatic, natural-sounding version for voiceover that's perfectly paced for over 1.5 minutes. Do you want me to do that? Hyperport is poised to revolutionize the way cargo is transported by integrating cutting-edge Hyperloop technology directly into port operations. This visionary system is designed to propel shipping containers at astonishing speeds that can rival those of airplanes, dramatically reducing transport times while simultaneously easing congestion at busy ports and cutting down carbon emissions. At the heart of the concept are capsules that utilize magnetic levitation along with electric propulsion, traveling through low-pressure tubes at speeds of up to 670 meters per hour. This innovative approach is not just about speed. It is designed to integrate seamlessly with existing port infrastructure, forming a high-speed cargo corridor that connects ports efficiently to major inland logistics hubs, ensuring goods move quickly and reliably from sea to land. Hyperport places a strong emphasis on sustainability, relying entirely on electric power and producing zero emissions. This eco-friendly design supports global initiatives for greener freight transportation and aligns with the increasing demand for environmentally conscious logistics solutions. By diverting cargo away from congested roads and railways, it improves overall supply chain efficiency, accelerates cargo flow, and addresses port traffic issues, while the enclosed nature of the system enhances safety for workers by maintaining controlled operational conditions. Currently, Hyperport is in the development stage, with companies like Hyperloop TT and HHLA actively pursuing pilot projects and partnerships to explore its feasibility in ports around the world. If successfully implemented, it could fundamentally transform global cargo transport, creating a future where ultra-fast, sustainable, and safe freight movement becomes the standard. The concept represents a bold leap forward, offering a glimpse into a world where technological innovation, environmental responsibility, and logistics efficiency converge to redefine how goods are moved across the globe. The Invisible Sheet 2.0, also called the Invisibility Shield 2.0, is a groundbreaking advancement in personal concealment technology. Designed and developed in the UK, this remarkable device uses precision-engineered lenses that cleverly bend and redirect light, making anything behind it effectively invisible. Its innovative optical design allows it to hide objects or people in plain sight, creating an effect that, until recently, belonged only in science fiction. The shield is highly versatile, available in 3 different sizes to suit a range of applications. The largest model, known as the Mega Shield, is capable of concealing multiple individuals at once, making it suitable for group use or larger objects. Each unit is completely waterproof, requires no batteries to operate, and is crafted from 100% recyclable materials, this combining futuristic technology with environmentally responsible design. The Invisibility Shield 2.0 is compact and collapsible, allowing users to easily roll it up and carry it over their shoulder wherever they go. Its portability and lightweight construction make it practical for everyday use, while its sophisticated optical system ensures real invisibility rather than just a visual trick. This is not a toy or a gimmick. It is a fully functional, cutting-edge device that brings the concept of invisibility to life. Early adopters can pre-order the shields on Kickstarter, with prices starting at approximately $69, giving people the chance to own a genuine piece of the future. The Invisibility Shield 2.0 represents a fascinating fusion of science, design, and imagination, making the dream of invisibility something tangible and accessible. Carrying one of these shields is like stepping into a future where the boundaries between reality and fantasy are blurred, offering an extraordinary experience that truly feels ahead of its time. This version is over 200 words and designed to read comfortably for more than 1 minute. The Bellwether represents a revolutionary vision for the future of urban transportation, designed to seamlessly combine both driving and flying capabilities into a single advanced mobility solution. This electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle is engineered to operate efficiently in dense city environments, offering a sleek, aerodynamic form that supports stability, performance, and visual sophistication. Built with advanced autonomous flight systems, the Bellwether emphasizes user-friendly operation, allowing passengers to experience safe and intuitive travel without the complexity traditionally associated with aviation. Sustainability is at the core of its design, as the vehicle relies entirely on electric propulsion to significantly reduce carbon emissions while also minimizing noise pollution, making it well-suited for modern cities focused on environmental responsibility. One of its most distinctive features is its modular architecture, which enables the vehicle to be adapted for a wide range of uses, from personal urban commuting to critical emergency response operations. This flexibility allows the Bellwether to serve as an air-based solution for medical transport, disaster relief, and rapid response scenarios where speed and accessibility are essential. By operating both on the ground and in the air, it has the potential to dramatically reduce traffic congestion, shorten travel times, and improve overall transportation efficiency. Inside, the luxury capsule space is designed to deliver comfort, safety, and a premium travel experience, transforming everyday journeys into a refined and futuristic experience. Overall, the Bellwether stands as a significant step forward in urban mobility, showcasing how innovation, sustainability, and intelligent design can come together to redefine how cities move.